Lisa here. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. We've all heard that before. And let's turn this around to the time management version. How do you eat an elephant? 10 minutes at a time. What's the elephant? It's that big project. It's that project that you just can't quite get to. You're waiting for a big block of time. You're waiting for a full weekend. You're waiting for a whole day to be able to dig in and get it moving. And reality is, it's hard to be able to get that big block of time or a weekend or a day or whatever that looks like for you. So instead, just knock it out 10 minutes at a time. And here's a personal example for me, not business, but a personal one. Here in Ohio, we go from snow and cold and gross weather where there are no weeds anywhere in my yard to a ton of rain and sun to where everywhere I look, every flower bed I have is full of weeds. If I were to wait till exactly the right time that I could get in there and dig through all my flower beds, get all of that handled, I'll tell you what would happen. One, I would be exhausted. And two, that time would never come. So instead, what I'm doing, 10 minutes. 10 minutes every day, I'm out there doing just one section. And I'll work my way all the way around the house in about a week, week and a half, but which is way better than waiting for the perfect day on a weekend that I can get out there and dig in. So figure out what project is hanging out on your head, personal or business, and start to break it out 10 minutes at a time.